Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for Monday 17th May 2021. So the first stock which I have selected is CESC. So CESC we will buy above 685 and we'll keep stop loss around 674. So we can buy this above 685. We can buy this in intraday as well and we can buy it is in cash as well. And the second stock is Eris Life Science. So Aris we have to buy above 685 same level and we'll keep stop loss around 670. So Aris has given breakout and holding this range of 645 to 685 around 40 points. So in cash we can expect at least 40 points of movement and it may not give in single day but we'll buy this up 685 and though it is in intraday and better if you buy in cash and stop loss will be same. You buy above 685, keep stop loss around 670. Then we have Dal Bharat. Dal Bharat from 3 days making a same high. So we will buy above 1745 and we'll keep SL around 1725. And this will be a purely intraday trade because there is not a such very good pattern. It is only 3 days high. So we will buy this above 1745, SL 1725. Then we have cash stocks. We have Chambal Fert, which has given a very good breakout, but it has done a very long rally already. So buy this in cash. Don't go for MIS. You can buy in cash and you keep stop loss until it is not closing below 265. So it kind of a swing trade, Chambal Fert. Then we can buy Centrum above 33. This is also not an intraday trade. If it give movement in intraday, you can book, but this is more kind of swing and positional. So it is kind of making a flag as well. So if you are looking for swing trade or positional, I think this is very good setup. Then we have RK Forge. RK Forge also given a decent breakout and holding this range of 610 to 660. So yesterday it has given breakout, means it broken the high of this candle, but it has given breakout in first 5 minutes. And always avoid breakout. Don't jump into trade into the first 5 minute candle. Always wait for at least 920. If it breaks this high 661, then we can take. So don't jump into trade in first 5 minutes. There is a risk. You can take, but there is a risk involved. So we can buy this above 661 actually. We'll buy this is a cash stock, so we have to buy in cash. You can buy it for swing as well, or you can buy in intraday also. Then we have CDSL. CDSL, it was not able to close above this high, and today it is managed to. So we'll buy above high 1835 and buy this in cash for intraday. Then we have Bharat Gear. Bharat Gear will buy above this level 92.3. If it gives good move, we can book in intraday, or else you'll carry for swing. Then we have this stock Canoria Chemicals, and I have not checked its circuit. If its circuit is 5% is, you can ignore it. Let me check in BSE. So this stock we have to buy above 130, and 1 minute I will check its circuit. So I generally avoid stocks which have 5% circuits. So yes, this stock has 5% circuit limit. That means 133.35 is circuit limit. So not much scope for intraday trade. If you want to take risk, you can take, but otherwise I am removing this stock. Then there is BF utility. It's a kind of trend line. The pattern is not very good. You can buy above high 302, and the safe will be when it will break this high, this level 317, 318. Safe is that. If you want to take risk, you can buy above 302. So these are the stocks which I kept for Monday. Apart from this, PD light is there. The level is far. We can track this stock above 1930 and Voltas above 1030. Vector Food above 408 if it breaks this 408. Excel Industry also I'm keeping in radar if it keeps breakout above 1128, 1130. Polymed also level is little bit far. Same with Nahar Poly also. 140 is the level. Current price is 131. So these stocks just I'm keeping in radar. Rest is these stocks for Monday. Thank you everyone.